Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Pay with the OpenTable app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to use Apple Pay to make some reservation deposits. How do you actually go ahead and do so on the OpenTable app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into the app. Now, once you're logged in, click on the upper right-hand corner where it says your profile name. Next, click on Account Settings. And then from here, click on Payment Methods. Next, click on Apple Pay, and then simply just follow the on-screen prompts to go ahead and connect Apple Pay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Apple Pay with the OpenTable app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next